was for me more about the back Confidi TV, so make sure I won't subscribe here. Subscribe MIN now we are following on Facebook so any Instagram so now share to all other social media platforms or so na nyame be sure say oyenesa ene the ababeto ye nice so there asemo enti na me feel said this anema we na esi wo yemre empen so yes teacher ni boa na wo de brofre ahye obotoma na kwadu enti ene wo oboa na epecha teacher ni yemmeka no na me feel say you 21st century enti sa anema no eto atwa na ene ebiesi ya chese headmaster administrator pa esukufo abomodia atiom ho asi ne board efuom akwakodo efuo no atwitwa board enyi na egu fom wo mu wieye no wo sign notes e ka ho e de ma eye administrator no enti youth aden HSA dani de nyina yebeda yebe yeso beti ye bia ne asem fofora yete e de fa ye youth ne ho ebusia moma ye mompa ye ma ye Ghana man na Ghana baby ekeka kone die ye hiam paibo kwaku chains besie osemo mompa ya ma Ghana krono esie wie eninti yesre moma ye mompa ye ma youth ne ebusia mama yenko na yenko hwe video no na wankasa weni suo na hwese ne a enkola yi afinish papai sanse wanye wa mama ankopi ewo exams hall enti
This is serious. What is this mama betra? This is serious, oh. Assistant headmaster, administration, efona. A school for be trouble, dear na gui. Adrian body a car clear maning. Hey. Tell him come on, Mudio. Away. Not no. Wow. You must have no tattoo. Mr. Edu, the stupid administrator. Be careful with the way you deal with students in the examination hall. This is just a warning. Alright, we will then. Oh, okay. Wow. Hey! This is serious. Now, Father, head at it, and our home. Wow. Are we safe? Okay. Say a prayer for Oti.
Asemo nene na teacher for abade and say dear mutiate. Mesra mudu exams hall na mohwe na mokapanye eni haya. Mohwe bibi na school for no asan akom ho biom. Ghana youth aden eden kra na ekoso omanyimu. Yo ebusia. Aha ena medemo ebesie. Mr. Comment your comment section on share to other social media platforms also. Nanya me be sure say yenesa. Makra media any akusua pukua answer aka apa. That's a message.